Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. It's been a while and today I'm going to make this custom 68 Camaro Hot Wheels into a real life version using renders. We all know Hot Wheels doing the Legends tour where they give opportunity for real cars turned into 1/64 diecast, but for me there is nothing more special than seeing a Hot Wheels diecast car turned into real cars in the real world. I wanted to do a series on this, making Hot Wheels cars into a real world through renders. If you'd like to see more, please consider subscribe and like this video. Now you might ask, why the 68 Camaro Custom Hot Wheels specifically? Well, if you've been onto Hot Wheels lately, there is a Hot Wheels 24th National Convention last week, and Dwayne Vance is the honor of the show. So this is like a tribute to him, and the custom 68 Camaro was designed by Dwayne Vance, which I think one of the best looking Hot Wheels in recent years. The details are just awesome, the cyberpunk look just looked plain cool. Only begs to wonder to see this car in real life size. So I decided to make this one just that. So Dwayne, if you watch this, I hope you'd like it, man. I've been following you from DeviantArt since 2011, 2010, since you used this Future Elements username there. A big fan, especially your work at Accelerator's car. I just wish I could meet you one day. Here's a little extra twist from me, putting a blower look intake on top to make it a little different. For the paint scheme, I'll do the convention Cowabunga because I think the paint scheme would look awesome on the 68 Camaro, and it does have some nice battle scars here and there, which gonna make the car look epic. And I love the primer orange paint in there, just fits right in on the muscle cars. For the background, I use HDRI map from Dumble, which is one of the best HDRI available out there. And you can get it with 20% off your purchase using promo code ADRI20. And now the car is complete, and here is the final result. Okay guys, that's it for today. Dwayne, I hope you like this one. This one is for you. Please let me know down in the comments below which Hot Wheels car do you think I need to do next. Would love to hear that from you, and I'll see you on another video. Bye bye and God bless you all.